Hello friend, today I will show you how to make world border in Minecraft. First, make sure you are in creative mode. Give yourself a command block using this command. Also get a lever from the creative inventory to activate the command block. Place two command blocks like this. On the first one, type in /worldborder center and put in your location. You can press F3 to check your coordinates. Press Enter. On the second one, type in /worldborder. Then the distance of blocks from the center you want the border to be, and how long it will take for it to take effect. Put levers on the command block and activate them. As you see, the world border has shrunk. Thanks for watching.